Hi everybody, I'm back again. I couldn't resist. I had to do one of these before getting ready for bed. The journal spread. Last time I did this horizontal Dutch store with all these flowers, and I want to try and do it again, but this time with this sticker set right here. And I'm gonna try and do it as quickly as possible. Let's see, these are 5 pages and these are Spring Bloom. And this one here in my shop is Ocean Flowers. All inspired by spring. So I'm gonna start off the same way. I'm gonna find a piece of washi and add it here. Let's see, so I thought about this first, so I'm going to put it down. It's this one. It's supposed to be, well, it matches the flowers and also the full sheet sticker. I love those. And let me see. I think here is good. Looks a little crooked. Let me pick it back up. Okay, that's good. Now I have to cut. It still looks a little bit slanted. Let me see. Yeah, I feel like just a little bit. If I can save it, I'll fix it. If not, I'll leave it alone because I don't want to tear the page. It's not bothering me too much. Okay, now I'm gonna cut. I'll probably I'll probably put solid colors on the opposite side, or I'll just mix it up so that way the colors will bounce off one another evenly and it'll be more fun that way. Okay. If you are concerned about cutting on top of the page, you can use the mat, but I'm not too concerned about it. I really didn't want to pull the page out at all. So let me try using this tiny scissor, see if I can get it. I didn't want to pull it out because of the thread. Okay, much better. Okay, I won't do this side yet. I'm just gonna continue. Honestly, I'm thinking this one. Should I do 3? I do want to get to bed. Let me see. A little space, that's okay. The end. Let me see. Okay, that's good. Now another cut. I don't know, I think I can do 3. I can do 3. Okay, and now it's time to break it up a little bit. I was thinking pink beforehand, so I'll do pink. I think the space is too wide. I want the space to be just as small as the others. Okay, so change of plans. I'm not going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Sorry for the silence, but I was just putting stickers down. I think what I want to do is add this here on that side, give it a different effect. Now I just have to cut it down to the right size. Let me see. I can leave an excess amount. I don't have a pen nearby. Okay. This blue line right there. Now the trick is to actually cut it straight. And I did do this in my B6 bullet journal. It'll be okay. I'll just have this side go up instead, and then I can cut it off so this will be even. And then also, oh, I can go up and then add some washi tape. Yes. Okay, now I just have to cut this side. And if you're wondering how I'm doing this, oh, is this going to be like the exact size? All right, it's time to go for it. I have to flip this over, otherwise I can sense a disaster. Oh wow, there's some there's a bubble here, but I don't think I can get it out. Right? Let me see. Sometimes it comes out. Okay, that's good enough for me. And now I just have to go around and cut the excess. Okay, so this is actually low enough, so I won't add another washi tape.